Hello, everyone. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, everyone. I'm cooking today. So, okay. Yep, here. Here. Fly. Hello, Angie. Angie. How are you, Angie? Good morning po. Yes, Dai. Good morning. How are you today? Hey, David. How are you, David? Yes. Hello, Mr. David. Yes, David. Hello, how are you? How are you? Today is what this? Hey, big boy. Hello, big boy, David. What you cooking today? Today I'm cooking a shell, with shrimp, like a cloud of the crumbs. Okay, so I am cooking very good uh, seafoods. Okay, seafoods.